Hello, Josh and Armin. I'm looking at your science assignment. I've given you 9 out of 28, which is 32%, which is an unsatisfactory grade, unfortunately. A couple of things you did well were the information on the seasons. So you're saying that there's no tilt, so that there's no seasons or one season, and that the evidence of water. You've got some pictures in there as well to say that there's some frozen ice or water available there. Um, you didn't do the position in the solar system compared to the rest of the planet at all. You also did not include pros and cons of the planet. You also did not do the bonus questions, so the extended question section question. You, in renewable resources, I think you just said, or the information you gave was not about renewable resources, it was something else. Yeah, so there's a lot to be improved. And so that's why you've got your mark of 32%. All right, thanks, Josh and Armin. I expect better next time.